Hey folks, in this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace a sink drain assembly, including the pivot rod, strap, and stopper mechanism. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn off water supply. Before working on any part of the drain, turn off the water supply. This prevents accidental leaks while you're working. Step 2. Disconnect the drain mechanism. The drain mechanism consists of a lift rod, strap, and pivot rod. The pivot rod extends into the drain body and allows the stopper to move up and down. Start by disconnecting the lift rod from the strap, and then remove the strap from the rod. Step 3. Remove the drain flange. The drain has a flange that screws onto the top of the drain body. After many years, like in our case, 33 years, these parts can become stuck together. If they won't separate, the most efficient option is to carefully cut them apart. Once separated, remove the retaining nut and lift the drain flange out of the sink. Step 4. Understand the pivot rod mechanism. The pivot rod moves the stopper up and down and is sealed with gaskets on both sides to prevent leaks. For a non-removable stopper, insert the pivot rod into the valve body and through the hole in the bottom of the stopper. For a removable stopper, just rest it on top of the pivot rod. Tightening the retaining nut will increase the stiffness of the pivot rod's movement. Step 5. Prepare for installation. To prevent leaks between the gasket and the threads, wrap plumber's tape around the drain body threads. Clean out the sink's drain hole, ensuring the underside is also clean and smooth. Step 6. Install the new drain. Apply a ring of plumber's putty around the top edge of the drain hole. Insert the drain body from underneath the sink, aiming the pivot rod hole toward the back. From the top, screw the flange onto the drain body. Hand tighten, then give it an additional half turn with a wrench enough to compress the gasket without over-tightening. Wipe away excess plumber's putty. Step 7. Reconnect the mechanism. Insert the lift rod into the faucet. Attach the lift rod to the strap. Insert the pivot rod into the closest hole in the strap and connect everything back together. Adjust the stopper movement as needed, then tighten the thumb screw. Step 8. Final checks. Fully open the shut-off valves. Test the system by filling the sink and closing the stopper. Ensure the overflow is working and check for any leaks below the sink. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home improvement tips. Thanks for watching.